Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at this pre-owned 2017 Freedom Express 24 SE. On the front of the unit, you do have a large pass-through storage space. Right here at the back of the unit, you do have a storage space. It does have a lighted and power awning, outdoor speakers, cable TV hookup, and an outlet. Let's go ahead and get a look inside. So right here in the bedroom, as you can see, you do have some large side open cabinets, which are great because you can load and unload them without having to hold the cabinet open. On each side of the bed, you do have a mirrored closet. And there are outlets on each side of the bed as well. So if you have medical equipment or you need to charge your phone, you can do that right here at the bed. In the main living space, you do have a jackknife style sofa. So you just lift the center up and pull it out. Up above that, you do have a nice large cabinet. This unit does have one slide. On the slide is a cafe style dinette. So this will fold down into a bed. Behind your dinette is your entertainment center. So as you can see, it does have a radio, and you do get some cabinet space as well. And up top, opposite your slide is your kitchen. So you have a decent sized pantry here. Next to your pantry is your refrigerator. It does have a Furrion microwave, a 3-burner Suburban stovetop and oven, a large double basin sink. Got some cabinets up here and some cabinets down below as well. And then you do get the wraparound drawers, so you've got a place to store your silverware and longer items. Finally, at the back of the unit is your bathroom. So you do have a full-length mirror right here on the door. Over here to the left, you've got quite a bit of storage space. Of course, your toilet, large corner shower with the skylight overhead, which offers a little more headroom. And then over here is your medicine cabinet and vanity. If you'd like to see this unit or any of the other great options we have available for sale here at Tri-State RV, come check us out in Anna, Illinois, or visit us online at www.tristaterv.com.